This video will show you how to replace the lever blade on a MAGURA CT disc brake. You can find information about the tools you will need in the video description. Be sure to knock out the pin from the bottom to the top. Place the brake master with the expansion reservoir on a suitable support, such as a roll of package tape. Carefully knock out the lever-bearing pin using a 3.5 mm punch. Roughly 2 mm of the lever-bearing pin can remain in the master. Remove the old lever blade from the master and fit the new one. When you insert the new blade, position it in such a way that the openings of the blade and the master are aligned with each other. Then, by hand, push the lever-bearing pin into the master from above. Set the master on the support and carefully knock in the lever-bearing pin with a punch. The lever-bearing pin should be flush with the bottom of the housing. Finally, check the brake for proper operation and make sure that the lever can move freely. You'll find more information in the service section at magura.com. Your Magura dealer will also be glad to help you. If you have specific questions, you can also contact us via the chat feature on our social media channels.